Hi you guys, it's me NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with the makeup tip Thursday. I didn't do one last month, but I'm doing one this month. So if you are interested in seeing what I'm talking about, all about the eyes, mature eyes that is, then keep on watching. Now I'm 48 years old and my skin has changed. My makeup routine has changed. Everything has changed. 48 years old, I'm like, wow, I cannot believe it myself, but I'm here. Thank you, Lord, I'm here. First areas, in my opinion, that you first start to notice any fine lines or wrinkles are in the eye area, right up in this area. And what I do to alleviate or try not to bring attention to the eye area, these are some of the things that I like to do, some little tips and tricks that I think every woman should know. The first thing is when I apply my foundation, makeup, or whatever I apply, I never bring it all the way up to my eye because I find the less products you use, the better, especially around the eye area. I apply my concealers right, if I was applying it, I'll apply it down here, and then I bring it up, but not all the way up. And a lot of times I will use my finger and just kind of make sure everything is smoothed out, okay? So never apply your foundation concealers all the way up, okay? And I'm very light with concealers anyway. I don't use a lot, I don't bake. I do not bake at all because baking to me, with my mature, aging, dry skin, makes me look 100, okay? So I do not do that at all. Also, I do not wear eyeliner up under my eyes at all, especially black eyeliner. I stay away from black eyeliner because it brings attention to any fine lines and wrinkles that you have. So I will apply mascara, eyeliner on top, and mascara. I do not apply mascara down the bottom either, okay? Because everything just draws attention. If you do have fine lines and wrinkles, it draws attention to it. Now what I do, I use a little bit of eyeshadow, and I made brown eyeshadow, and maybe sometimes apply it down here and just smoke it out a little bit, because that way you're covering the fine lines. If you smoke it out and just really have a smoky look, you're covering it up, you're not bringing attention to it. However, if you're just wearing eyeliner, it's totally different. If you notice, look at some older people, if you may notice, eyeliner just draws attention to fine lines and wrinkles. So I just prefer to just leave it blank like this. Or I use a brown, very light brown eyeliner. And this one, you can't even see who it's by. It's by Maybelline, okay? And it's light brown. It's this color brown. You see how light this is? Okay. If your complexion is a little deeper, then you can use another brown. But you know, the browns that you want to use are lighter. You do not want to use the dark blacks, the deep dark browns, not up under your eye area, because like I said, it does draw attention. Everybody is different. You have to do what works for you, but this works for me. I leave this part just blank most of the time. I'm not applying eyeliner. I do not apply mascara. As I am aging, I'm taking off more makeup. I'm not putting it on. The younger generation, they're piling it on. They're baking, they're cooking, whatever they want to do, they're doing it all. Me, as you get older, you're removing some of these things. You're trying to look glowy and youthful, and you know, so you're starting to remove things. Like today I have on powder, no foundation. Yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to come to you today just to show what I do and how I try to combat fine lines up under my eyes, and what I do when applying foundation and makeup or concealer. So yeah, I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you do like these types of videos, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So click that notification bell as well. Anyway guys, thank you so very much for tuning in. Peace and love until next time. Mwah. Bye. Before you say goodbye.